Hello everyone, today we have a 2016 Honda Odyssey with front wheel drive. That engine's running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. It does have the fog lights up front and the alloy wheels. Some deep storage space right there. See that it does have a drop-down LCD monitor from the entertainment package, also a sunroof. It does have gray leather seats. The second row is captain's chairs. There's the cup holders for them. And then the third row. There's a closer up of the drop-down LCD, and it doesn't flicker the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's doing that. See that it's Scooby-Doo, only the finest of viewing for our customers. Alright, and you see that it does have two driver presets. Go ahead and bring this down here. There's the VIN, and I will upload still photos of these as well as I go through these fairly quickly. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see it has 63,750 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your stereo, push to talk, and your cruise control, trip computer info, push button start, your shifter, and your sources for audio are AM, FM, Sirius XM, disc. There's your DVD, and you also have MP3 and iPod ports. And you can also go through the rear video port and the auxiliary. So those are all your options for audio sources. And then when you push navigation, that pops up right here. Okay, and then your phone, that would also pop up right here. And then you can control your front audio and your rear audio independently. Okay, and then here are your comfort controls. You see that it does have heated front seats, and then you can independently control the temperatures in the back of the van. Come down here and you have USB port right there, and then another 12-volt port right here. There's your auxiliary port, and there is additional stowage right there. So there's your movie sleeve for your Scooby-Doo video, and then you can refrigerate this with a cool box, which is super nice. And I think that's in a different episode of Scooby-Doo. But at any rate, here's your DVD port or drive, as well as two key fobs and your cup holders, and then you have additional stowage down in here. Honda does a great job of using every cubic inch that they have to work with. Come up here, and this glasses holder also doubles as a conversation mirror, so you can see the folks in back. And then you have your sunroof. All right, and that about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here up in the front. The airbag's deployed, but there is no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.